Hello everyone and welcome back to Casper Crypto. I just gotten some crazy news that'll shock you. So I've compiled a list of 5 articles that we'll be going over in this short video, and you won't believe what's going on in the market this week. Alright, so first off, our first article is that Ethereum merge takes place on Kiln testnet. So Kiln is the final public testnet before Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake network. And just after that, Ether has gained 6.2% in the past 24 hours as the merge developed in Kiln. Tokens exchanged hands at just over $2,640. Up next, we have Bitcoin and stocks stabilize ahead of the federal announcement. So Bitcoin was up 2% over the past 24 hours compared with 5% gain in the Ethereum and 20% rally in GRT. Now this is crazy news as Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies trade slightly higher on Tuesday as investor positions themselves ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy announcement. As well as this, analysts expect the Fed to increase interest rates by 25 basis points, which could tighten the financial conditions that they have supported the rally speculative assets over the past year. The Fed is also expected to announce a plan to reduce its nearly $9 trillion balance sheet. Although there is a high degree of uncertainty in the market, funding rates or the cost of holding long positions on Bitcoin perpetual futures contracts remain in limbo. Unfortunately, we can't determine what the long-term future is for Bitcoin, but we hope to see it go up with this announcement. Next up is a bit of scary news that may ward off a few investors. A Bitcoin stealing malware. Now guys, I don't know about you, but this sent shivers down my spine. Like, as an investor, I do not want my Bitcoin to be stolen. So, a Bitcoin user was tricked into sending 0.255 Bitcoin to the wrong address due to malware running on their computer. Now, this is extremely scary if you're somebody that holds Bitcoin, because you can be sending Bitcoin to an address that you do not know and do not intend to send to. That means all your payments to somebody in Bitcoin are being sent to someone else that's just profiting massively on this. And the conversion rate for 0.255 Bitcoin is nearly $10,000. Now, guys, I encourage you to all be safe and get antivirus on your computers because this is a very big concern. And also, this isn't the first report of this. We have seen in the past about $500,000 was just stolen by one malware bot over the course of 2021. Now, guys, this is a major flaw in the system. Do not be clicking any suspicious links. Make sure your computer is running antivirus and does not send your Bitcoin to the wrong address. Next, and for our final article, Afghan is turning to cryptocurrencies amid the sanctions. Now, this is crazy because that's going to bring in more buyers and more sellers, more transactions going on with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which will ultimately bring up the value of Bitcoin since there's going to be more active transactions on the market. So following up after the Taliban takeover in August of last year, crypto had spread like wildfire over Afghanistan. One person claimed there was almost no other way to receive money. Now, this is a very unfortunate event for the people in Afghanistan, but it also does drive the market up everywhere for cryptocurrencies. Fans of cryptocurrencies say that the future of money will stop people in having to rely on banks, and in Afghanistan, its banks that have stopped working, causing people to turn to cryptocurrency. It's not just to trade, but to survive. Now this is, again, showing that a lot of transactions, a lot of volume is going to be going into the crypto market. And just after this, the use of crypto rose sharply, as I just stated. Firm chain analysts gave Afghanistan the rank of 20 out of 154 countries it evaluated in terms of their crypto adoption. As well, here is a quote from someone: "We are using crypto to try and solve this problem that 22.8 million Afghans are marching towards starvation, including 1 million children that might starve to death this winter," said Mr. Kakar. I don't know if I mispronounced that, and there is no first name stated, so I am sorry, Mr. Kakar. And that was our weekly update on the crypto market. So if you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on what's going on with the crypto market. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon.